So buy stop orders, what I use is right up over here, this toggle wheel, and you'll see ATMs, it's off. So when I turn it on, this is where you can click ticks, delta, price value. I'm using futures here, so I have ticks. And when you click down over here under type, you have take profit and stop loss only, or take profit only. So this is where you can put your stop loss, take profit level, and then whatever you want, like stop loss, whatever it is here, take profit here, you can adjust it. And then you can, stop limit, all this down here. I just kind of put stop in there because I'm trading futures. So when you have it on and you hit save, you could just kind of go up here and put your order in. Now, it's a little bit annoying, but when you're doing multiple accounts, you'll see I have 4 contracts up there because I have 4 accounts linked. Now, when you do that, you'll see if I go down here and just you'll see multi-bracket orders are not supported in group mode. So if you have multiple account linked, you can't have the bracket orders on, or you can't have the stops or into the system. So it's a bit annoying that you can't do that, but you can put manual stop losses in. So when you place the order, you can put stop losses in after the fact, but it has to be after your order is put in. So this is, again, how you do the buy stop orders or sell stop or whatever you want to do for your orders right under this ATM. You got to turn it on. So at this point, I have to have it off because I have multi-accounts linked. So again, if you have multi-accounts linked, you can't use that feature. But again, you can put stop losses in the system.